Valorant down. Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. I know that many of you have problems with Valorant right now because I got many messages. So if you try to go to your favorite browser to Google and search for Valorant down, and I will go ahead and do that right now. Just like this. And then if you go to the first site, you will see that many users reported some problems. Right now there are over 900 reports. Most reported problems are at the server connection and to gameplay and also to login. And then if you scroll down, you will see that many people have this problem too, and they are commenting here, so you can go ahead and read those. And in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem, and you just have to wait until they fix it. There is nothing you can do, unfortunately. You just have to wait. If this video was useful for you, you can like this video, and if you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.